Today we are reviewing the new Enjoy EP2 Pro electric bike. This is an excellent foldable electric bike with a top speed of 28 miles per hour. As usual, by the end of this video, you will find a discount code for the new Enjoy EP2 Pro. Stay tuned! Okay, here we go. This is the beautiful EP2 Pro, available in 3 colors: black, gray, and this eye-catch matte orange. You cannot go incognito on this bike. It's much bigger than it looks in the pictures. But the good thing is that we can make it a lot smaller by folding it down. That's how it looks when folded. It gets a lot smaller, but it isn't a most portable bike. It weighs about 7 pounds and fits in a large trunk. I am 5'10" and I keep the saddle at almost the lowest level. This bike can carry up to 330 pounds, so it is perfect for tall and heavier riders. Folding and unfolding the bike isn't complicated, but it can take some time to get used to. It will become much easier over time. The folding mechanism has a locking pin to keep it locked. The locking pressure can be adjusted as needed. Folding the handlebar is not difficult either. Turn the lock ring counterclockwise and pull the lever to push the rod. The aluminum plastic pedals can also be folded. That's cool. The Enjoy comes with a 48 volts, 12.8 amp-hour battery hidden in the aluminum frame, so it's a pretty cool design. I believe they are not branded cells though. When pedaling, the range is about 50 miles. The top speed is advertised as 28 miles per hour, but in my tests it hasn't exceeded 27 miles per hour. Maybe I'm too heavy. When the battery is low, it will slow down. You can ride the bike with assistance even if the battery is low, but don't expect a fast ride. It's fine to drive the EP2 Pro without a power supply. It's not very comfortable, but it's a normal bike after all. It takes about 5 or 6 hours to fully charge. It can be charged via the charging port in the battery compartment. Alternatively, you can remove the battery and charge it elsewhere. It comes with a set of keys and you need one to turn on your bike. You cannot ride without the key. The battery compartment is also locked and unlocked with a key. The Enjoy EP2 Pro is equipped with a 750-watt high-speed motor. The torque is very high and can be adjusted by the bike's computer system for a smooth ride. And it sounds good too. Thick 20x4-inch all-terrain tires absorb a lot of road shocks. Thanks to the good-looking fat tires, you don't have to worry about the lack of rear suspension. The front spring suspension with a preload adjustment on the left and a lockout switch on the right works well. I really like the cruise control of this bike. You can activate it at any speed mode by twisting the throttle and holding the same speed for a few seconds. Cruise control is automatically activated. Grab the brake lever or touch the throttle to turn it off. The mechanical disc brake is okay. They are good enough to stop the bike. I prefer hydraulic brakes. But keep in mind that this is an affordable electric bike. It comes with motor inhibitors that disable the powerful motor for a safe ride. Another great thing about the brakes is that the rear lights blinks when they are used. The 7-speed Shimano Tourney allows you to shift quickly and easily. Great for daily commuting, but at 19 miles per hour, the 7 speeds are useless. The YL80C LCD display offers a large number of configurations to match the bike to your riding style. It comes with a user manual and there are many videos about the Enjoy settings on YouTube. You can lock and unlock the maximum speed, adjust the pedal assist level, increase or decrease torque, and many other options. Pedal assist reacts very quickly when you start pedaling and shoots off power very quickly when you stop doing so. It comes with a half-twist throttle that makes you feel like you are riding a real scooter. The handlebars are short, but I got used to them after riding a few times. The height can be adjusted for better fit. On the left is a functional controller that allows you to switch the bike on and off, and controls the built-in lights and the speed mode too. There is no day and light sensor. Angeway did not forget to put a bell on this bike. On the right hand, it has the gears shifter and the half twist throttle that can be used at all speed assisted modes. The aluminum fenders are sturdy and firmly mounted, with no cracks, bumps or noise. Well done, Angeway! The saddle is pretty good compared to other bikes I've been testing. I like the Teflon spacer. It makes it easier to adjust the saddle height and avoid scratching the tube. I received my bike 2 days after I placed the order. It's very well packed and has a lot of additional protection in a thick cardboard box. It comes with the instruction manual and all the tools you need to assemble the bike. It is actually easy to put it together. Okay, now you can watch me unboxing it. There are some upgrades to be done, such as the side stand, the quiet bell, and maybe the saddle for some users. But for this price point, this bike is great, really. Angeway has been manufacturing electric bicycles for the past 10 years. They are very well known for their sturdy bicycles. This bike is very well made, solid, and all the joints are nicely welded together. The support team is also very responsive. At the time this video was recorded, the EP2 Pro was priced at $1,239.99 and offers free shipping in the United States. There is no additional cost. It comes with a 1-year warranty. As I said in the beginning of this video, if you like the new Angeway EP2 Pro, there is a $50 discount code in the description of this video below. I'm really happy with this bike. You can ride with confidence, it's a fun ride and looks great. The actual orange color looks much better than the pictures show. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.